Many thanks for joining us again on the newsroom. The federal government has added 2 more countries to the list of high-risk nations following the outbreak of the novel coronavirus. The countries include Austria and Sweden. Ministry of Health Osagie Ehanire made the announcement at a media briefing on Friday in Abuja. The federal government had earlier on Wednesday issued a travel ban on 13 countries, including US, UK, China and Italy over the coronavirus outbreak. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court in Abuja has rejected an application to compel the federal government to totally bar entry into the country from the US, Iran and China. In the ex parte motion rejected by the court, the applicant, an Abuja-based lawyer, stated that the coronavirus had killed thousands of people around the world and still spreading like a wildfire. Although Justice Eko did not grant the prayers, he directed the applicants to put the respondent, which is the Attorney General of the Federation, on notice within 2 days of making the order. The matter has been adjourned for hearing till March 26. Well, the Kaduna State government has advised imams not to hold Jumat services as part of effort to restrict large gatherings in a bid to reduce the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. A statement by the government on Friday said that the administration is taking a cue from the decision of the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the creator of Islam, not to hold such prayers in the 2 holy mosques in Makkah and Medina. It also directed that church services should be suspended, adding that Christian faithful should learn from the experience of many Christian majority countries like Italy, France and Germany. Meanwhile, the Nasarawa state government has ordered the closure of all public schools in the state. The State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Fatia Jimeta Sabo, made an announcement after an emergency meeting with stakeholders on the sector. Also, the Commissioner directed all school principals across secondary schools in the state to hasten and complete ongoing examination by latest Thursday, March 26. Students are to proceed on vacation until further notice. Banks in the country have urged their customers to utilize their digital self-service solutions because of the coronavirus affecting different sectors globally. In a statement sent out today by Fidelity Bank, for example, it said, quote, "Our industry has been drastically impacted by the coronavirus outbreak worldwide. As a result, we have implemented precautionary measures to help safeguard the well-being of our staff, customers and community to serve." End of quote. The bank advised that its branches remained open and available to customers who chose to visit to carry out their transactions, adding that all branches were equipped with all prescribed preventive measures. The number of people who have died as a result of the coronavirus pandemic now exceeds 10,000. In total, 10,080 deaths have been reported, with Europe accounting for 4,932 deaths, while Asia accounts for 3,431 deaths. Italy is the worst affected country with 3,405 fatalities, followed by China with 3,248 deaths, the initial epicenter of the outbreak, and Iran now has 1,433 deaths. The Lagos State Sports Commission on Thursday announced the shutting down of all facilities in the state while also suspending sporting activities. This is in line with the directives of the Nigeria Football Federation (NFF) to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Also, the Kwara, Edo and Ondo Football Associations in separate statements announced the suspension of all football activities in compliance with the directive of the NFF. And that's the latest from the newsroom. Many thanks for joining us. Bye for now.